The cybercriminals who stole 40 million Target credit card numbers didn't hack the retailer directly. They slipped through a 12-employee Pennsylvania HVAC company that had disabled its own network monitoring for 2 years. In 2013, that small firm, Fazio Mechanical, handled refrigeration for Target, and their insecure remote access portal became the entry point. Despite a security warning in 2010, the HVAC company never re-enabled its monitoring software, leaving a backdoor wide open for attackers to steal vendor credentials. Once inside, the cybercriminals moved laterally into Target's payment system, exfiltrating 40 million card numbers over the 2013 holiday season. The breach cost Target over $200 million, but the HVAC company, whose single lapse brought down a giant, faced no public penalty, a chilling reminder that small business security gaps can topple anyone.